What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. You're watching another Izzy's review. Today we're going to review this, what is it? A soft and peel bubble fast pad. It goes dry to wet bubble packet. Refreshing, deep cleansing, and exfoliating for all skin types. I'm going to put a link in the description so you can see the brand, and hopefully if you like it, you can check it out for yourself on the company's website. But tonight I'm ready to go to sleep. I'm going to remove my glam and head to bed. So I'm probably not going to talk or do a voiceover on this one. I'm just going to let you watch and do a time lapse. How does that sound? Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Alright guys, I used the pads and I was pretty impressed. I liked the smell. It had a little lather, and as you saw in the video, I did do my entire face. I used a clean cloth, and then I did wet the cloth to wipe the excess off my face and whatever cleaning solution was in the pad to get that off of my face. If I wasn't on camera, I would have submerged my face in water, but I didn't want to make a mess. You might notice that I did grab the coconut oil. I like to remove my stains with an oil-based product because it moisturizes as well as lifts the product off of my lips without drying them out and doing a lot of scrubbing. So if you have a matte or oil-based product, oil removes it. So I learned that the hard way at Sephora. long story for another day. But I'm very happy with the results. It was fairly easy to use. It was dry. I wet it. I exfoliated my face, and it's clean and product free. I'm iffy about my lips. I didn't want to use it on my lips because what is it? I have a little product left, a little lipstick left. I don't like to use products on my lips because I don't like the taste, and I feel like my body's absorbing it when I do put it. So I always use the coconut oil, or sometimes I use a little Q-tip and massage it that way and remove it that way. But I hope you found this useful. I like the product. I'm glad that it has several in the packet. So these are another alternative for your makeup removal, and I am impressed. I like it. My face feels clean. I always suggest that when you are removing your makeup, that you do use, you wash your face. A makeup cleansing wipe or makeup remover doesn't replace washing your face. So always keep that in mind. This pad did have, I want to say, like a perforated edge. So be careful with that. Like, you don't want little micro tears in your skin if you make a mistake and use the edge or the seam of the pad. But other than that, I'm excited. I like it. You saw it from beginning to end. My natural bare face, all my blemishes, and my blemishes from my hair, or my lady beard, I call it, whatever. So this is me, bare face, makeup free, thanks to these. So if you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, with much love, Izzy.